Guys, this segment is all about how change in quantity demanded is different from a change or shift in demand. Okay, and it requires a graph to do. All right. Here's our graph. We'll draw our normal line. All right, our normal line has points on it. And when you're looking at this alone, on the y-axis you have price. Okay? On the x-axis, it is quantity demanded. Now what this shows is based solely on price. That is how we're making up our mind here with our demand curve. Okay? Let's say this one's 2, that's 8, and that's $12. Okay? Law of demand says that the higher the price is, the less we'll want of it. So here at $12, we only want 4. At $8, we'll want 10. And at 2, we want 15. Okay? This is a standard demand graph. Okay, it's based solely on price. Okay, so what we're looking at right here, this graph is telling us about a change in quantity demanded. All right? What is the thing that we use to determine change in quantity demanded? It is about money. Okay? That is all. That's the only reason you move from this point to that point. Okay? I wanted 4 of this item at $12, but I decided, you know what? The price went down, so now I'm going to buy 10. It's all about price. Nothing else. Now we're going to make pretty much the same graph. Over here we have our price again. Down here we have our quantity demanded. Our normal line. It has our 3 points on it. Okay? Now we're talking about how do we change our demand if it's not about price. Now my silly example that I've used in class is about pizza. Ace Strikes Pizzeria. Okay? Now if you're dealing with just price, like we talked on the last curve, we'd only be looking at these points. But what if something changes besides price? Okay? It comes out in the USA Today that if you eat my pizza, you'll become better looking. Okay? If that's true, and you eat my pizza, you become better looking, that is going to be an increase in demand, right? That is a big time increase in demand. So our demand curve will change or shift. The curve shifted up and to the right, which is an increase. Okay? We remember that from before. However, on the other hand, if USA Today says that Ace Strikes Pizzeria will cause you to lose points on your IQ, that is going to cause a drop in demand. Okay? Did the fact that you become better looking or lose your IQ points have anything to do at all with price? Not at all. Your change in demand has to do with everything but price. This graph, change in quantity demanded, is only about price. That is the difference. If you see quantity demanded, think that it's totally about price. If you don't see that, if you see change in demand, know that it's something else other than price. This is John Astrike, and I'm here to discuss with you the change in quantity demanded versus change in demand.